Welcome to Webstar Plus. E-commerce SEO improves the visibility of your online store on search engines. In today's highly competitive digital marketplace, only having an online presence isn't enough. You need to effectively reach out to your potential customers, and SEO plays a crucial role in this. By optimizing your website for relevant keywords, improving site navigation, enhancing user experience, and creating quality content, SEO makes your website more attractive to search engines like Google. This results in higher rankings in search results, leading to increased organic traffic, potential customers, and ultimately more sales. Without SEO, your website could get lost in the vast sea of online businesses, reducing its reach and profitability. Therefore, e-commerce SEO is necessary for any online store seeking growth and success. An e-commerce store has got landing pages, products, product categories, product titles, and descriptions, right? Okay, keeping all of it in mind, this tutorial will teach you how to generate product description, how to generate category description, how to generate landing pages, and how to generate bulk titles and descriptions for your e-commerce store using Chatgpt. So let's generate product description. It will not just be a paragraph of text or a sentence. If you need, you can generate full page text for the product. So here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. This is the context. Language should be English. Voice tone should be professional. Writing style should be descriptive. And here are instructions. You are an e-commerce SEO expert copywriter who writes product descriptions that compel users to purchase the products. According to the context, craft a compelling product description for an e-commerce item that I will provide. Create 3 unique content sections for the product description, each focusing on a different set of relevant keywords. Label each section with an eye-catching subheading that accurately summarizes its content. Your product description should be keyword-rich, informative, and engaging, with a word count of under 600 words. Your objective is to use emotional language and creative reasoning to persuade potential buyers to purchase the product. Once you have written the product description, create a bulleted list of 3 possible H1 headings for the product page. Provide a bulleted list of 3 broad match keywords that you use to create the product description. To further enhance the product page marketing appeal, create a persuasive and professional sounding meta title and description that incorporates similar language to that of the new product summary. The meta title should be between 50 to 60 characters long. The meta description should be between 140 to 150 characters long. This is the e-commerce item. YouTube Thumbnail Generator Tool. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3. Unleash your creativity with a click. Sculpt a powerful first impression with our dynamic YouTube Thumbnail Generator tool. Designed for YouTubers, marketers, and everyone in between, this tool provides a transformative solution for creating vibrant and clickable thumbnails. Power-packed performance. Designed for success. Possible H1 headings for the product page. Transform your YouTube game with our thumbnail generator tool. Power-packed YouTube thumbnail generator. Creativity at your fingertips. Elevate your content with our high-performance YouTube thumbnail generator. Broad match keywords used YouTube thumbnail generator tool. High-quality thumbnails. Viral popularity. Meta title is this one. Harness the power of thumbnails. Premier YouTube thumbnail generator tool. Use your brand name here. Meta description. Revolutionize your YouTube presence with our dynamic thumbnail generator tool. Create high quality, clickable thumbnails and boost engagement like never before. Transform your YouTube journey today with your brand name. Okay, it gave us 3 headings with 3 paragraphs. We can use all of this text in the product page. It provided 3 H1 headings to choose from. We can use heading from this in a header or top of page. We have keywords that we can use in page or in meta. We have meta title and meta description. Meta description can be used as first paragraph at the product page as well. It can also be used in header below H1 heading. So we have got complete text for product page. Now I asked for 600 words in the prompt. And we got the content around 600 words. If we need more, we can change 600 to 1000 or more. You have full permission to change the text in brackets. Okay, now let's generate product category description. Ignore all previous instructions, do not self-reference, do not explain what you are doing. Context is this, language should be English, voice tone professional, writing style should be descriptive. And here are our instructions. You are an e-commerce SEO expert copywriter. According to the context, create a compelling 300-word product category description in flawless English based on the category name that I provide. Focus on highlighting the benefits of the products within the category rather than just listing their features. Avoiding using the passive voice and instead use active verbs to create a sense of urgency and excitement. Create category description that engages potential customers and inspires them to make a purchase. Make sure that your description flows smoothly and is easy to understand. It should be written in one line, which means you should avoid long paragraphs and instead break up your text with subheadings and bullet points. At the end of your category description, include a strong call to action that encourages customers to explore the products within the category and make a purchase. This will help to boost engagement and conversions. Overall, your objective is to create category description that is informative, engaging, and persuasive. By highlighting the benefits of the products within the category and using active language to create a sense of urgency, you can attract and convert potential customers, driving sales and boosting the success of the e-commerce store. Our category name is Online Tools. It provided headings, paragraphs, bullet points, and call to action. You can use all of it or pick selected text from this response. I asked for 300 words. You can ask for more. So heading is elevate your productivity with online tools. Supercharge efficiency. Discover a curated range of project management tools that ensure you meet deadlines and deliver exceptional results every time. Improve digital proficiency. Secure your digital assets. You're just a click away from transforming your work life with our elite section of online tools. Discover the power of productivity today. Unleash potential, drive growth, shop now. Okay, we can also generate landing pages. To do that, here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Context is this. Language should be English. Voice tone should be professional. Writing style should be descriptive. Product is, let's say, Infinibrew coffee machine. And in the response, replace product name with the product. Here are our instructions. You are an e-commerce SEO expert copywriter. According to the context, generate a detailed user persona for a business that sells mentioned product in the context. First, write user persona creation for product name as the heading. Then create a subheading called demographics. Below, create a table with 2 columns and 7 rows with the following format. Column 1 should have these data points like name, age, occupation, annual income, marital status, family situation, and location. And column 2 will display answers for each data point in column 1. Then create a subheading called landing page for selling product name to the above persona. Below this, generate landing page text of around 1000 words using this persona. The landing page needs a headline that grabs attention, highlights the product's value proposition, and entices visitors to learn more. Use action-oriented language such as discover, transform, experience. The landing page copy should be persuasive and informative and highlight the product's benefits and features. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and subheadings to make it easy to read and scan. Use persuasive language that speaks to your audience's emotions and desires. End the landing page with a clear and prominent CTA to click to purchase product. And here's the content for your landing page, for your e-commerce store or for product that you are selling. So this persona will help you understand and target your audience accurately. We've got headings or headlines, paragraphs, bullet points, and everything. And this is the CTA. Smart features for busy mornings, quick brew, programmable timer, automatic shut-off, your personal barista. Quality of content is good. In the prompt, I asked for 1000 words. You can increase this number to generate more content. Okay, now let's generate bulk titles and descriptions for products. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. And here is the context. Language should be English. Voice tone should be professional. Writing style should be descriptive. And products are these. Product names: WSP external sound card, WSP USB drive, WSP CPU fan. And here are the instructions. You are an e-commerce SEO expert copywriter. According to the provided context, generate compelling meta titles and meta descriptions for a list of e-commerce products that I have mentioned in the context. One meta title and one meta description should be generated for every product in the comma-separated list of products. The meta title should not be more than 60 characters long. The meta description should not be longer than 160 characters long. The meta title and meta description should have the product keywords in them. The meta title and meta description should use persuasive language that speaks to the audience's emotions and desires and makes them want to purchase the product. Okay, so these are the products. For each product, meta title and meta description is provided. Change anything from prompts that is in the brackets according to your requirement. So this is how you can use Chatgpt to improve some areas of SEO for e-commerce store or products. Let me know if you have specific requirement in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.